All right, today I have to show you guys how I make my fish sandwich. You can call it fillet of fish, fish fillet, whatever. I do it a little different because, as you know, I do sell my aiolis, which you can find right down there and order some. I love making aiolis. I have a truffle tartar aioli that I'm gonna make that pairs up with this. Just, it's amazing. I have tried the viral caviar tartar sauce with the fish sandwich. It was okay, but this right here is perfect for any seafood, any fried seafood. First, I'm gonna show you how I do that. Use some mayo. This is gonna be the base of our tartar sauce. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, I'm gonna just squeeze this shit out. I have about 3 cloves of garlic and about 1/4 cup of onion. I just got a whole bunch of dill. Just throw it all in there. This is the flavor right here. This is what makes this to me, the dill. Throw in about 3 dill pickles, and we're gonna load it with this truff. Now, if you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a food processor or a blender, but the immersion blender is the best way to go. Now we got our catfish. I know for a lot of people, when they eat a fish sandwich, it's either cod or mostly just cod. I mean, that's cool on some fish and chip shit, but not for a sandwich for us. So we're gonna use some catfish fillets. Now when I make catfish sandwiches, I kind of like go OD on it. I'm gonna probably, yeah, that's a nice size. Now you know we're using Bleu Magic all-purpose fry batter, which is available now. You can get yours today. If you don't know how to dredge and you haven't seen my tutorial, I'm gonna show you right now. So you get your catfish, put it in that wet batter, which is just flour and water. And into the grease. Now, next, I'm about to toast these buns and we're finna start eating. But before that, I know y'all gonna hate me for this one, but every time I pull out American cheese, it's somebody in my comments talking shit. Listen, if you eat In-N-Out, if you eat any fast food burgers, this is what they're using. You can't expect everybody to put aged cheddar on everything. All right, so we're gonna let that melt. We're gonna toast these buns. The famous fish sandwich. The blue fish, we call this the blue fish sandwich. I know it's a little OD, but, oh.
Sorry.
Nigga couldn't wait. Nigga like, fuck all that, man, eat. That shit fire, this is her favorite sandwich.
Sorry.
Fire. It's the Truffle Tartar Aioli that elevates this.
That's on my face.
Yes, baby. Let me get that. Hold on, hold Thank you.
I was the wrong star.
She's crazy. No Kool-Aid for this episode, which would pair up nice with this big fish sandwich. And you just keep it simple. Just throw some lettuce on it, some shredded lettuce, that tartar aioli recipe that I will have in the description, some plastic cheese like y'all say. Put some cheddar on it and see how much you won't like it.
Exactly. Don't do it.
So I will have the recipe in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.